It's filming. Llamas.
Oh. Come on,
What are you
llama.
crying about?
Get
out. She's gonna want to get out.
Ooh. Sandra, get that llama.
Every time I think that we're going to be able to move, this guy finds more food in this truck.
Come on.
Like he's got to feed every flake out of there before we can leave here. I'm about to get out and have a conversation with this man.
They should warn you. The one lady, I said, how long does it take to get through? Oh, let's go at your own pace. Well, guess what? If
Let's go at
somebody
the
else
animal's
is going super slow, so are you. If not go at your own pace, let's go at the pace of the people in front of you. I need to get one freaking dumbass redneck.
Not feeding any dang don't touch it.
There goes the whole dish. They just all dump it all out right
In the
here.
road so that we can't drive. It's real smart.
Try not to get the donkeys.
Oh, Lord.
The llama doesn't want to eat, Sandra.
Now this donkey wants to go eat it.
Oh no. Bye, bye, llama.
Keep it tight.
Bye, llama.
More so than the 30 bucks, it's the people in front of us that agitate me beyond belief. This park is lacking so much.